So here's an oil cooler for 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee diesel. Just picked it up from Mercedes. Here's part numbers. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. Try to do this with one hand here. This is it. I figured since I'm going to replace it, I might as well put in a new oil cooler. Even though I'm just doing the rings, I don't know, it's a few $100, but if you have oil and coolant passing through here, I know you could pressure test them to make sure that they're still good, the old ones. But what if those lines have been weakened and worn a little bit, and they even test pressure, the pressure test tests good, but you know what I mean, mine is 270,000 kilometers almost. So those lines could have wore out a mil, maybe. Say if the lines are, I don't know, 2 mils thick, maybe the lines are worn out half. So it's not going to fail right today. Maybe not fail in 50,000 kilometers, but maybe this oil cooler will fail at one point in time. And I don't know, risking it to go do that huge job again for say $300, that doesn't seem right to me. So, good peace of mind for me to do. There's the part numbers anyway from Mercedes-Benz, if you need to know. Online, I found it at ID Parts for $110 US. If I had more time, I would order it. But I'm not sure if it's a OEM, or it could be a Dorman, or another one made by Hella. I'm not quite sure, but this is your OEM part. Anyway, there you go.